Dear student, how are you? I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to discuss about the sentence and classification of sentence and definition and the structures. Now, the students, notice the blackboard. Here, topics as today's topics sentences and the classification of sentences. Here, notice please, function. According to function, sentence is 5 types. I repeat again. According to function, sentence is 5 types, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, objective sentence, and exclamative sentence. Again, according to function, sentence is assertive, interrogative, imperative, objective, and exclamative sentence. And according to structure, you can always see sentences 3 types, such as simple, complex, and compound. I repeat it. According to structure, sentence is 3 types, such as simple sentence, compound, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Today, I am going to discuss about the according to function 5 types sentences, such as assertive, interrogative, imperative, objective, and exclamative. So, dear student, every types of this sentence are 2 types, such as affirmative and negative. Now, I am going to discuss about assertive sentence and the definition and structure. Assertive sentence. Assert means বর্ণনা করা. So, assertive sentence, which sentence gives a statement, which sentence makes a statement, that's called assertive sentence. অর্থাৎ যে সেন্টেন্সে কোনো বর্ণনা দেওয়া হয়, কোনো তথ্য দেওয়া হয়, তাহাকে বলা হয় assertive sentence. Again, which sentence makes a statement is called assertive sentence. It is 2 types, such as affirmative and negative. It is 2 types. Assertive sentence, 2 types. Assertive, 2 types. Affirmative and negative. Affirmative and negative. Affirmative and negative. Affirmative. I would like to give an example. COVID-19 is a pandemic. Nowadays, COVID-19 is a pandemic. অর্থাৎ বর্তমানে COVID-19 একটা ভাইরাস জীবাণু, একটা আমাদের বর্তমানে প্যান্ডেমিক হয়ে গেছে। আমরা এটা হলো আমাদের একটা প্যান্ডেমিক, দ্যাট মিন্স মহামারী। হিয়ার উই ক্যান সি নাওএডেজ বর্তমানে COVID-19 ভার্ব অ্যান্ড অবজেক্ট। একটি চলে আস অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্স মিন অর্থাৎ পজিটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট হুইচ গিভস আস এনি পারসন, এনি প্লেস, এনি থিংস এ পজিটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট, উই কল ইট অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। যে সেন্টেন্সে আমাকে দেয় একটা পজিটিভ অর্থাৎ আহাবোধক কোনো তথ্য, আহাবোধক কোনো বর্ণনা, তাহাকে আমরা বলবো অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। অন দ্য আদার হ্যান্ড, নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স মিনস নেগেটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট। হুইচ সেন্টেন্স গিভস আস নেগেটিভ স্টেটমেন্ট ইজ কল্ড negative sentence, such as we are not panickized. And to the student, we are not panickized. আমরা আতঙ্কিত না. We are not panickized. আমরা আতঙ্কিত না। Here we use এখানে না একটা নেগেটিভ পাবে, মানে নেগেটিভ একটা ওয়ার্ড। সো দিস ইজ এ নেগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। তারপর হুইচ সেন্টেন্সেস গিভস নেগেটিভ statement about a things, about a person or place is called negative sentence. Now I am going to structure of affirmative sentence. Now I am going to I will try to give you the structure of affirmative sentence. Structure: subject plus verb plus object and extension. Subject plus verb plus object plus extension. Mind it, dear student, verb is a soul of a sentence. Verb একটা sentence একটা প্রাণ. Without verb, we can't make any kind of sentences. So, subject plus verb plus object plus extension. Such as the girl are plucking flowers in the garden. And look at the blackboard, please, dear student. Here the girls are subject. And this is auxiliary verb, helping verb, pluck main verb. The girls are flowers, object, and this is extension. Mind it, ভার্বের পরে এবং প্রিপোজিশন আগমন যে অংশ থাকে সেটা হলো অবজেক্ট। দিস ইজ প্রিপোজিশনের পরে যে অংশ থাকে সেটা হলো এক্সটেনশন। দিস ইজ সাবজেক্ট, দিস ইজ ভার্ব, this is object and this is extension. Say our structure: subject plus verb plus object plus extension. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. Next, I would like to give an example of negative sentence. What is negative sentence? We previously discussed about this. I have already discussed about negative sentences. Which sentence give negative statement is called negative statement. Structure: subject plus to be verb plus not plus object plus extension. Again, or subject plus to do verb এখানে ভাবটা বলে ভালো হয়। to do verbs plus not plus v1 plus object plus extension. Mind it, student, to do verbs means do, does এবং did. See, verbs we call it to do verb. Do, does এবং did. Do, does, did এই তিনটাকে আমরা একসঙ্গে বলি to do verb. Again, or subject plus modal verbs plus not plus v1 plus object plus extension. Modal verbs. Everybody knows the modal verb is number of modal verbs are 30. Shall, will, can, could, may, might, ought to, used to, dare, etc. The subject, mind it, the to do, after to do এবং after modal verb always be present indefinite. অর্থাৎ ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম। অর্থাৎ আমরা জানি যে টু ডু ভার্ব এবং টু হ্যাভ ভার্ব করে কখনো ভার্বের অন্য ফর্ম ধরে না, সহজ না ধরে বলে প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম। এখানে হিয়ার টু ডু ভার্ব প্লাস নট প্লাস v1, modal verb plus not plus v1. Obviously, this is present form. But to be verb. Next, number 4. Structure or subject plus to have verb. To have verbs. Mine is have, has, had. C is called to have verb. Have, has, and had. C is called to have verb. To have verbs. Verb, object plus extension. The negative status has 4 structure. One is subject plus to be verb, that is auxiliary verb. That verb, a object. Next, subject plus to do verb plus not plus v1 plus object plus extension. Next, subject plus modal verb plus not plus V1 plus extension. Next, finally, subject plus to have verbs plus object plus extension. We can make a negative sentence in this way. Now I am going to give you some examples. The student can notice the student are not punctual. These students are not punctual. ছাত্রছাত্রীরা এখন নিয়ম মেনে চলে না. This is a negative expression. Negative expression. This is these students are not punctual. Just as the student subject, auxiliary verb, not and object. Again, you can see how the girls has four toys. The girl has four toys. But it আছে চারটি খেলনা. এখানে this is affirmative. Has not negative. This subject has not and four toys. That's object. Third number example. We should love our country. We should. This is object. This is should. But we can't use not. We should not love our country. We should not. Should is a modal verb. Should is a modal verb. So we should. Should এর পরে main ভাবটা অবশ্যই হবে present verb. We should not love our country. It is sure and certain that any kind of modal verb takes present form of a main verb. That should is a modal verb. So love is main verb. এখানে আসছে কোন ক্রম আছে? present form আছে. আমার নেক্সট আসছে we ought to not obey the rules of our country. আমাদের উচিত না আমাদের দেশের কোনো আইন অমান্য করা. we ought to is a modal verb. obey main verb. So ought to modal verb. তাই জন্য আমরা obey দিছি আমরা present form লিখছি. Again, I want to repeat it. Any kinds of modal verb takes present form of main verb. So, students, I hope you are clear about the assertive sentence and the classification. Now, I am going to the next types of sentence. Interrogative. Interrogate means any kind of asking question. So, যে সেন্টেন্স দ্বারা কোনো প্রশ্ন করা হয়, জিজ্ঞাসা করা হয় তাকে বলা হয় interrogative sentence. In English, we can say which sentence asks any question anybody, anything anybody. It is called interrogative sentence. It can be started with two types: with auxiliary verb, or WH question word. Mind it, an interrogative sentence must be start with two types. At first it takes auxiliary verb, am, is, are, can, could, or do, does, did, have, has, had. And it takes WH question word, such as are you okay? Here are is a auxiliary verb. Are you okay? এখানে আমরা to be verb structure আসতে পারে to be verb plus object. Extension. And another have you finish your work? Here, have you finished your work? তুমি তোমার কাজ শেষ করেছো? কেন তুমি have দ্বারা হয়েছে? have দ্বারা হয়েছে। এটা auxiliary verb, এটা have to verb. And did they phone me. Did, to do verb. And can you do the sum? Yes, can. This is modal verb, to do verb, to have verb, auxiliary verb. We can easily say that an interrogative sentence may start with to be verb, to have verb, to do verb, and modal verb. Next, interrogative sentence generally start with WH question word. WH question word. WH question word. Question words. Can you tell me, next student, how many WH question word? Yes. Thank you. WH question number 9. There are 9 WH question words. Why you call these words WH? Can you tell me? Yes. WH, every spelling of these words takes W and S. Every spelling is of these words takes W and S. So it is called WH question. WH question word. In other hand, in other words, we can say it with the relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. We can start interrogative sentence with this what, which, these are how, why, whom, who, where, when, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another whose. 9. These 9s are called WH question word. Everyone explain WH. Every spelling of this word takes WH. So we call it WH question word. To make a interrogative sentence, we must use WH question at first of the sentence. WH question number. हम जाते now a WH question word this तरह उदाहरण देते. So how can you solve this? How can we solve this? How? My dear student, every WH question takes a to be verb. Next is to make a question. To make a question, every WH question takes to be verb. Structure WH question, WH plus to be verb. To be verb plus question. Last, it takes interrogation sign. This called interrogation sign. It takes interrogation sign last of the sentence. WH question means our palam noita which, how, when, which, this sentence. Time is যে সেন্টেন্স দ্বারা কোন আদেশ, উপদেশ, নিষেধ ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি বোঝানো হয় তাকে আমরা ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। অর্থাৎ which sentence express order, advice and expression is called imperative sentence. Such as imperative sentence mainly structure main verb plus object. Minding the student, imperative sentence is subject always omit থাকে। এই সেন্টেন্সের সাবজেক্টটা অলওয়েজ থাকে omit অর্থাৎ উজ্জ্ব থাকে, কখনো প্রকাশ থাকে না। We can start this sentence main verb plus object such as open the door. Here open is the main verb. This is object. Then subject আমি ওপেন করছি তোমাকে open the door. You are completely omit here. So in mind it imperative sentence কোন সময়ের জন্য সাবজেক্টকে প্রকাশ করবে না, omit থাকবে। Next open the door. Here subject and object. It may be start with don't, never, late, kindly, or please, and always. Such as please give me your pen. Your pen. Please give me your pen. Please. Here please is used to make a request. And nextly let me talk about sentence. The meaning of sentence আছে আমাকে বাক্য সম্বন্ধে কথা বলতে দাও, একটা অনুরোধ। তার এগেন বলছি যে এখানে আসছে let me talk about sentences, আমাকে বাক্য সম্বন্ধে কথা বলতে দাও। So my scheduled time has already passed. Now I want to give you a home task. Dear student, make a sentence tree. Home task homework. Make a sentence tree. Make a sentence tree. Make a sentence tree. This is a part sentence. The sentence is অথবা এবং তাতে প্রত্যেকটা সেন্টেন্সের নাম এবং কাজুয়েশন অফ আদার পারসন এখানে উল্লেখ করবা। Now I have more time to talk with you. Please see again next class. Till then, just a say God bless you.